This is a stretch for the external rotators of the shoulder. This is a PNF stretch, or Proprioceptive Neuromuscular Facilitation. What you'll do is you'll grab a door handle and you'll step forward with one foot. You're going to go forward until you feel a stretch in your shoulder. It's going to be in the back of the shoulder. It should be in the back of the shoulder. And you're going to hold for a count of 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now, I want you to go ahead and try and pull your hand towards your back. And you're going to, with an isometric contraction. So you're going to pull for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax, and you should be able to lean forward just a tiny bit more. And hold that for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again, try and pull your hand towards your back for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And lean forward even more for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And you want to do that for a total of 2 to 3 repetitions in that sequence. And that is PNF for the infraspinatus teres minor muscles.